Kubelajibun fibro Jingpyntip nam ta result te kidon artali kawai na po MPSC kawai na po DMHI Government of Meghalaya Directorate of Health Service MI Meghalaya Shillong takane notice the result of the interview for the post of IPA Manager under IPA MHSSP Meghalaya Shillong conducted by the Directorate of Health Service on 25 June 2024 is hereby declared the name of successful candidate Geelong Rosa Larilang Marbanyang selected Tegalen Takaway, Dr. Pesra Lin Gatpo waiting list, Chelselia B. Lingxiang waiting list. The recommendation of the candidate shall confer no claim for appointment unless the appointment authority is satisfied after such inquiry. The congratulations namta ini candidate iblayo. The sakaway part ka result kaba penbimta, kane ka result kaba arpat kadai hapo MPSC Meghalaya Public Service Commission. Kadai jong post the result of the interview for the post of Statistical Officer under AH and Veterinary Department December 2020 conducted by the Commission on 20 June is hereby declared the name of the successful candidate are Srimati Elisa Bapernai Karmalki napo khasijantia category but Sri Chester and Arang napo Garo category and congratulations both of them. Thank you Jingpyntip. Kubelajibun.